Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Movement Network or Movement Labs. I'm not sure anymore what the full name is, but wanted to do a video on this. I mean, this coin yesterday, of course, was quite hectic, but this coin, due to being launched yesterday, actually held up extremely well. This coin actually pulls a lot of the liquidity towards itself. To get an amazing move right here. All right, overnight we pulled a move of 82%, which we launched at a valuation of like $1.4 billion yesterday, or at least very high. So that's pretty incredible to see. That's why I wanted to make an update on that. If you're more interested in this project, it's a new project, as you can see right here, right now sitting at a $2.16 billion market cap. Check out my channel. I did a full review on this, talking about the project and just in general talking about whether it has some long-term potential as well, right here. So if you're interested in the project, if you saw this and you think, hey, that's interesting, maybe I want to buy this, check out the video. But for now, let's get right into it. I mean, the statistics speak for themselves here. The volume right now is $6.7 billion. And with that, I think we can safely say that this was a very successful move. The volume is more than, for example, Cardano, BNB, more than Shiba and Chainlink combined. All right. So in terms of volume, both on spot, but also in futures, which, that's interesting. But also in futures, super high. All right. In futures, it's also top 6. With $1.3 billion in the last 8 hours. So all of that is very promising. And then obviously we had a nice big move up. But then one of the things I talked about in my video yesterday on the project is that when we're looking at these Binance listings over the last year, most of them, even when they pumped up initially, have actually had a very bad start. So fundamentally, I'm still a little bit, not scared, but still a little bit cautious about the potential moves here for Move. And technically, I also think we are at a crucial level. And outside of that, I mean, the market right now, I think it's recovering fine from yesterday evening. But I do think, especially looking at altcoins right now, that we do need to get some more reclaims and some more recovery, some more confirmations before we can actually say that altcoins are fine. I think it's too early to say that, and that obviously also has bad implications for Move. So if we're talking about the technicals here, which I think is kind of the cherry on top of the cake, one of the main things that Move did technically that mattered was breaking above this level right here between 95 and 90 cents, a little bit lower, let's say 88 cents. That is by far the most important key level right now. That is, first of all, the opening spike we had, at least on Bybit, and a lot of the volume from movement is coming from Bybit. All right, so I think that level matters quite a bit, as you can see. But outside of that, it was also a very respected level technically afterwards, right? So if we actually want to keep this bullish momentum, because there's very obviously at least some bullish momentum still in the price, we just need to hold this level. All right, we need to hold this level for at least the next couple of hours. If that's the case, then I think we can actually rally back up to the previous high we made right here at around 1.25. That would be my first price target. And then afterwards, we'll start talking about 1.5, potentially higher. But that's the big question. All right, can we actually... that's not what I wanted. Now, the big question is can we actually hold this level? If the answer is yes, if we can actually stay on top of this level and the altcoin market also remains relatively strong, then it's a matter of time before we break above 1.05, which is a small resistance level here, and then we will rally back up to 1.25, all right, if we're able to hold that level. So it's absolutely like... At the moment, because it's such a new listing, it's hard to predict what's going to happen. So the most important thing is to identify levels and identify certain patterns, so that if we see those, then we know a high likelihood of what's going to happen. All right. So can we hold this level? This is most likely. If we're unable to hold this level, let's say in the next 5 hours, then I think we're dropping back down at least to this level right here at 75 cents, potentially dropping down lower again into 65 cents. So keep your eyes on that level. I'll keep you updated on this as well later today. But for now, thank you for watching. That's what you need to know. Keep your eyes on the level, keep your eyes on the patterns, keep your eyes on the volume, and then you'll be set. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.